we had our 50 amp plug burn up, and both sides were fused together. We had to, and of course this happened at 10 o'clock at night, we found out. We had to cut it off with to be able to separate them with a hacksaw, and it completely destroyed it. But I'm going to show you in this video what I did to fix it and make it work. So in order to take this off, there's a screw here and a screw here, and this was all melted together. So I had to hacksaw this off. We had to break this apart off of here, and these are still connected in here, but this is also melted in together. So we're gonna have to take this apart somehow. If not, I'm just gonna have to cut it back here. So just by turning this screw, I was able to slide this off, which is going to make it a lot nicer to be able to pull these out. So I'll go ahead and do that. So the first thing I want to do is test fit them all, make sure they all fit together. So when I was finished and completed, I didn't have to take it all apart because it didn't work. So I test fit everything and it all fits and works very well. Also, I'll show you everything I bought, and they are all available on Amazon. I'm just going to take this sheathing off here, and this nice thing is here, it's color coded, so you know exactly which wires to put into it, and then we'll clamp it down. So the next thing I want to do is find out how far in I need to put this, so I'm going to take a little bit off at a time. So right now, that's bottoming out. It's about an inch taken off. So I want as much as I can get in there so it doesn't wiggle out, loosen, or arc. So I'll do that to the rest of these. Now one thing you want to do is make sure you put this on first before you put your plug on. Not saying that's what I did, but I know from experience. Now I got it all together, and that's after forgetting to put this on and this on. So yeah, I put this on like 3 times. So now I'm just gonna put it all together, and this part will be done. Now all I did to hook this up to this white piece was screw those in, and this slides over it. Nice and easy. There we go. Hopefully I don't have to take that apart again. I was able to pull this right off with no problem. Something to note, this is the red one and it's black. The reason I know is because it shows it here when I pulled it off, the red was on top. So that's just something to be careful of because there's 2 blacks. But they're both power, but I just want to make sure they both go to the same spot. I'm going to clean this up and we'll get going again. So I'm just cleaning this up with some baking soda and water. I wanted to spare my kid's toothbrush, so I used this big thing. Alright, so I cleaned them up best I could. There's still some tarnishing on there. I don't think that'll be a problem, and I did cut back the sheathing a little bit more to give myself a little bit extra room. Put that piece on first. So next, I'll have to put my plug on. It's the same as the other one. Actually, the one that just came off here and the one that I put on the wire. So all I gotta do is connect these onto here, push it in, screw it in, and we should be good to go. So I got all these tightened down. They're in there real good. I'm just gonna put these clamps on, and then we should be good to go. So connect this to this, tighten it down, and we can try to plug it in. All right, now I got this piece all tightened up. Slide this white one on. And conveniently, it only goes on one way, so then you can go in here. All right. Once you get this sleeve on here, all you gotta do is tighten these down, and you're ready to go. Well, ready to put this piece onto the RV. Now that we got our plug all installed and our cord is all done, we're gonna plug it in, lock it, and secure it. And then we'll go over to the panel, plug it in, and see how it works. Hoping for no sparks. All right, so that's that. Everything's working fine. I turned that on, no sparks, and everything's working inside. Hopefully this helps you out, this quick little video. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It took longer to get this off while it was melted and burned. But thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and comment.